Hey guys, I was just getting ready to go out and do some grocery shopping, and I thought about inviting you with me. So if you want to come along with me, just stay tuned. Okay, get yourself a bottle of water and a small snack. We don't need to spend money on stuff like that while we're out. This is our first stop. We're at Fresh Thyme Farmers Market in Guyana. I like to come here because they have great organic fruits and vegetables. So let's go in here and see what they got. Okay guys, I'm back home from shopping. So I'll show you what I got from each store as we went. This one was at Fresh Thyme, the organic store. Let me show you what I got. All this here cost, where is my receipt for Fresh Thyme? This all cost $57.83. I got two celeries. They were each 99 cents. I got some mandarin oranges. Those were $2.99. And then I got 2 bags of organic gala apples, and they were buy one get one free. And then I got 5 packs of the sirloin steak. They were at a good price. Look at that. $4.37, $2.27. They were at a very good price. So I got 5 packs or 5 steaks. Then I got 3 whole chickens that I'm going to butcher. I also got 2 pounds of, let's see if you see it, 2 pounds of shrimp. Yeah, I got 2 pounds of shrimp for $10.75. And then lastly, I got these 2 pineapples, and they were $1.99 each. So, fresh start, $57.83. Next up, Giant Eagle. I usually only come here for stuff that I know is on sale. Sometimes their prices are so high, but yeah. Let's see what we can get here. Okay, our next stop was Giant Eagle. And we spent at Giant Eagle $58.39. This is what I got. Tons of pasta. These were 89 cents a box. So we love pasta, and I love different pasta shapes. So I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 boxes of pasta. I also got cereal time this year. I also got 5 boxes of cereal. They were I think they were $1.88 each. And then the Sweet Baby Ray's was buy one, get one free. So I got that. And then I got some more beef. This beef is top round, thin top round. It was buy one, get one free. So I got 4 packs. These are gonna make some delicious beef jerky. I can't wait to make it. And then I got some London broiled top round. I got 2 packs of that, buy one, get one free. And that's what I got at Giant Eagle. Next stop is Kroger, and I have my coupons ready to go. So let's go see what we get inside here. Our next stop was Kroger. This is where I spent more than I wanted to. And for this store I spent $75.93. But up here I got 2 like, where is it? Up here, I got 3 pounds of beef that I'm going to return to the store because I got a better price at Meijer. So it's actually $17.98 minus that total. So this is what I got at Kroger. Again, my husband wanted me to fill the treat box, so I got some Hostess Ding Dongs and cupcakes. These were 2 for $5, I believe. I don't remember. Then I got our standard popcorn, which was $1.79, and honey buns, which are $1.99. Ice cream. I actually had a coupon for this. It was two for $5, and I had a 50-cent coupon off, so it was only $2. Then I got some Prego sauce. I had a free coupon for the Prego sauce, so I didn't have to pay for that. And then I had a coupon for sausage. These were 2 for $5, and I think I had 50 cents off of those, so they're $2 each. I got traditional and the maple links. And here is the lactose-free milk, never on sale. It was $2.99 today. I also got 3 packs of egg noodles, 2 jars of peanut butter. These were 99 cents. The egg noodles were, I think they were 8. How much was the egg noodles? I want to tell you the truth. Let's see, and I do tell the truth most often. So let's see. Yeah, so the egg noodles were actually $1.67, which is good. Then you see all these little red packs of produce. We have this one with cherry tomatoes and regular tomatoes. We have this one with regular tomatoes, 2 kinds of apples, and then I have a carton of strawberries and a carton of blueberries. Every single one of them was 99 cents. So check in the produce department for these kind of deals. These two will be turned into blueberry jam and strawberry jam, and everything else will be dehydrated. Okay? So I also got 4 packs of cheese, shredded cheese. These are 4 for $5, and I had a coupon. I don't remember how much it was. And bread is always 99 cents, and the brioche buns is $1.99. The pecans was $6.99, but I had $1.25 off coupon, so that was a great deal. These crackers at Meijer, look for these because these are the family size. Look how big these are. They're $2.99 right now, which is the same price as the smaller size. So I got 2 because I had a coupon. If I bought 2, I got 50 cents off. So yeah, we're good on Ritz for a while. And I also got sugar because I need it. And the sodas was 99 cents each, and I had $1 off of that. So we got all the sodas. One bursted when I was packing it in, so yeah, I ended up getting like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 bottles, but whatever. So this is what we got all from Kroger. All right, let's move on to the next store. Before we move on to Meijer shopping, I forgot to tell you about the eggs. I got 3 dozen eggs at Kroger. They were 59 cents a piece. Now, I don't want you to know just how weird I am, but I look at the agricultural reports a lot. And last week, the farmers sold eggs to stores at 67 cents a dozen. And they're predicting by the beginning of winter, or like towards the end of fall, eggs will be about $1.25 per carton. So, and they're not going down. So, if you can score some eggs, I can show you how to store them for long periods of time and not take up a whole lot of space. Okay, so that was a good deal. So let's get on to Meijer. Meijer is our next stop. Again, we got coupons for this store, but guess what, guys? Look what I found right next door. So I usually don't come to this Meijer. Yup, a Goodwill. So I'll be hitting that up as soon as I leave here. Okay, our next stop was Meijer. And we spent at Meijer $82.04, which is okay. So what I got is we got 2 bottles of extra virgin olive oil. They were buy one, get one free. Now you know that's a good deal. And they were $7.99 each. I also got more pasta. These are the kinds of pastas that they couldn't have at our Giant Eagle, like Star Shaped and Wagon Wheel and Orzo and all that other stuff. So I got all the shapes that I needed for the rest of the year. I also got 3 rotisserie chickens. If you're not up on the rotisserie chicken game, you need to get there. These are 2 for $5. What I do with these rotisserie chickens, I butcher them just like I butcher raw chicken. Then I debone the whole thing. And then what I do is I'm going to dehydrate some of it. And I think I might dehydrate all of it. I'm not sure. And then what you do is you could just put that in pasta with vegetables and sauce and oh, so good. And then after that's done, I take the bones and I make bone broth or chicken broth or whatever. And I also use some of it to grind for my dog's gravy or for over their food. So these chicken go a long way for me and my dogs and my family. So that's that. And this also got some Meijer bacon. It was $3.99. So that's a good price. And they had bratwurst. They were 2 for $6. But then I saw this one who was $2.40 because it's dented. Now I don't care about that. So I got 3 packs of that. I got 2 more packs of that beef that we bought last week. I'm going to, instead of dehydrating these, what I'm going to do is I'm going to cook them and dry can them. It's just, it's a beautiful thing. So you can keep this all year. And it's good for making like tacos or spaghetti, whatever you need ground beef for. It makes your dinner preparation so quick. Oh my God, that's the best thing about it. And then we have some Bob Evans sausage. My husband likes the zesty hot, so I got him that, and I like the original. Then I got more fruit. I got Bartlett pears. I think I got about 8 of those, or 3 pounds of Bartlett pears. And I also got some grapes and two things of coffee. We love coffee. So yeah, I have some already, but they were 2 for $5. And you know, these things can be like $7 sometimes. So I just got those. And back here, we got some craft dressing that I got free for a coupon. So this all was, what did I say it was? $80? $82.04. So, remember when I told you that there was a Giant Eagle? Goodwill next door. I went over there and I found something. I'll show it to you in a minute. Hey, I know y'all like, how many stores is this chick gonna take us to? Yeah, you're right. That's how you get good deals, man. Okay, I will admit, I'm taking you guys to a lot of stores today. The reason is, basically, you do get good deals if you go to more stores. However, I never go all over the city. All of my stores are in like a 1-block radius, so I did good with that. But like I said, I spent way much time in the Goodwill, but let me show you what I got. So this is what I found at the Goodwill. It was oh, you can't see that. It was $14.99. It's missing a handle, but I can easily put that on there. And then when you look at it, it's so beautiful. When you open the top, inside, I have to clean this velvet. It has some ring forms places here, and then it has a second lower compartment to put other stuff in. So I'm gonna clean this up and see if I want to keep it or not. But I thought it was beautiful. I don't know, it's kind of too I don't know, it's not, I think it's beautiful, but I don't roll in this style. I'm kind of a bohemian type style, and this is kind of more classic. So I don't know what I'm gonna do with it. I'll let you know. Okay, this is my last stop, thank God. So this is Aldi, and the only reason I'm really here is because my neighbor told me that they sell Aldi brand wine for $3.99, and it's pretty good. So, you know, a sister needs some de-stressing. So I'm gonna go in here and see if I can find a couple bottles. Okay, my absolute last stop on this shopping trip was Aldi. I went to Aldi because my next door neighbor, Kurt, had told me that they have some pretty decent wine for $3.99, right? So I'm like, I'm going to check that out. So I ended up getting 4 bottles. I got the White Zinfandel, the Moscato, Sangria. I was talking to the guy in line, and he said this one is amazing. Put some fruit and stuff in it, so I can't wait to try that one. And then I got some sweet red. These are all the kinds that I like to drink. I like sweet wine, so here we are. So the whole price for that was $14, less than $15 for 4 bottles of wine. I think that's winning every day. So that's what I did today. I was hoping to spend like less. My budget was $250 for the shopping for the month. And I actually went over by $6.58. And it was because of my husband asking me to refill the snack box. And I didn't plan that. I always plan cushion so that I could find some sales that are not on my list. And I can't blame it on him. $6 is not a bad deal over my budget. So let me show you what I got. This is all of Meijer here. And I'm going to bring you over here. I don't want you to get dizzy. And this is all of everything else. This is Kroger. Over here is Giant Eagle. And over here is Fresh Thyme. So, that's my shopping trip. Thanks for joining me. The treat box is real. Hey guys, thank you for joining me on my shopping trip. I know it was long, but that's, like I said, it's how you get the best deals. I do this once a month, and then every week, that's when I start perusing the sales ads, and I just fill in with deals throughout the month. But that's how I do it. So if you're new to my channel, I want to say thank you and welcome. Please hit the subscription if you want to become. They only give you 30 seconds to finish that. So what I was going to say was, please hit the subscriptions to continue to see more of my videos. After you do that, you'll see a little bell. Click that and it'll let you know every time I upload a video, which I must admit is not as regular as I would like. Join me on Instagram at Kris's World, and we'll have a good time together. Talk to you later. Bye.